In this video, we will show how to conduct a continuity test to properly identify the end-to-end conductors in multi-conductor mineral insulated cables. In order to perform the test, you will need a continuity tester or multimeter. To ensure that each conductor at the end of a cable is terminated with the same color sleeving at both ends, start with the end of the MI cable that has already been terminated. Connect one end of a jumper cable to one of the conductors and the other end to the outer copper sheath of the cable. Alternately, electrical tape may be used to connect the conductor to the cable sheath. On the other end of the MI cable, which does not have a termination kit installed completely, clip the black lead to the outer copper sheath of the MI cable. Now, touch the red lead from the multimeter to each conductor. When you touch a conductor that doesn't match, the multimeter should show infinity or OL, over limit. When you touch the matching conductor, the multimeter will indicate a low ohms reading. Label the conductor on both ends to identify them when making the second termination. This is necessary so that each conductor is terminated with the same colored sleeving on both ends. Then move the jumper cable to the next conductor on the terminated end and repeat the same procedure to identify all of the remaining conductors in the MI cable. For further assistance and product support, please contact nVent support at 1-800-545-6258 or visit nvent.com/PYROTENAX.